Pew. Yeah. Oh yeah, I look good. Dang. Who's mans? Yes. Hey guys, this is BarbaraBeauté. We back at it again with another video. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, look at me. Look at me. Flawless. Flawless. Yes, get like me. About to get it right. But first I gotta eat. You can't do makeup on an empty stomach. Alright, now we're doing this thing with this liquid stuff on my eyeshadow, on my eyes. And we're gonna use this brush to like kind of even it out. It looks a little pale. I didn't really think it was gonna be that color when I first bought it, but you know, just blend it evenly. Get it popping with the other eye too. Can't only do one eye, you know. Then we're gonna switch it up. Now I brought my crayon pack, and we're just gonna switch up this color to like a burnt little red, and we're gonna do it on top of the white. Blend that in flawlessly. Yes, yes, yes. And the other eye. Oh, dang! I think I might have gotten some hair in my mouth. Hold up. Okay, back at it again. Pew, pew. A little bit more here. Pew. Yes, yes, yes. We almost there. Now we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna go to a lighter, more neutral color right on top of the red so it blends in nicely near the eyebrows. We're gonna do the other one too, cause you know. Now we're gonna blend it some more. I guess we're gonna be blending all day. Now we're gonna go to a darker brown and put that right on the crease of my eye. We'll see where that goes for now, but what? There's not a crease right there? Nah, I mean, don't mind whoever's in the background. They just moving some stuff. Now we're gonna go to the other eye, and it looks like we're doing a little bit more blue. This looks interesting right here. I would have never figured it was gonna go right there, but yeah. It's looking really good right now. Oh, I almost went cross-eyed. Don't mind me. The other eye. Make sure you leave a little white on the eyelash, on the eyelid. Did you switch colors or is it me? Now, I'm making a fine line in the crease of my eye. I'm not really sure what we're doing yet, but I'm gonna let you know in like a few minutes. Just spread that around. Make sure you get the eye evenly coated. Now we got a Fruity Pebbles box on my eye because I see like 5 different colors. We're going to do it on the other eye too. Trust me, it's going to look popping in the end. We even going lighter now. Wow. Yeah. Just put straight powder right here. On the other one, we're going to do the same. It's look a little liquidy. It's not like that little powdery substance, I think. Yeah, we looking good. A little bit more blue to blend it in correctly. Now we got this charcoal looking eyeliner. Maybe we're gonna make these wings, and it's gonna look sexy, it's gonna look sharp, and we're gonna take flight, and they both gonna look even because that's how we do it out here. You feel me? Now I put some markings on my face, and we're gonna put these eyelashes on. I'm pretty sure you're contouring your face, but I'm not sure what you're contouring it with. But first we gotta take care of these eyelashes. And like, you know what I mean? Pew. And be careful, guys. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt at all. It looks like it does, but there we go. We got a Sharpie. Oh wait, no. This might be eyeliner too. I thought it was a Sharpie. It looks like a Sharpie. But yeah, get right under that eye. Make that joint look popping. No, I'm not hurt. My eye's just doing its own thing right now. Pew. Damn, we almost there. We're gonna do some more. It looks like we're doing a reddish shadow under my eye. Oh, that looks really good. Yes, you can make whatever face y'all want, ladies, as long as you get blended correctly. Ooh, yes. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, mascara. I know this one. We're gonna put this mascara on. Make sure my eyelashes look defined, like my boyfriend's, because he's so fine and he got these popping eyelashes and eyebrows and all that. But yeah, back to this. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Get this highlight popping now. Pew, pew. We're gonna do the other side. Not too much, ladies, just enough. And now we got this circular blush looking thingy. We're gonna put it everywhere. Probably a little bit more highlight, different shade, sure. Ooh, lip liner. We out here. What we doing? Look like a brownish lip liner. Get that around all these lips. Yes, yes. Lip gloss, right? That looks super thick, just the way I like it. Get it? A little bit more of this lip liner again. Yes. Come get some. Final look. Wifey material right there. That's what it is.
Never let nobody tell you it's impossible. Keep chasing your dream, but there'll be obstacles, I promise you. Every day's a struggle, gotta fight, I'm trying to follow through. Never apologize.